Welcome to Printer Strategies, your one-stop shop for precision printer refurbishment. We'll take a look at the Storm HD6 and give an overview of what we do in our collaboration with Kornit Digital. Today, we had a damaged ink tank that was in need of replacement. So one of our trusted workshop mechanics will be doing the job. He will remove the specified part to see where the problem lies and begin working on the replacement separately and safely. Once the part has been replaced, he can reattach the tank with the rest of the reservoirs. After the parts have been reassembled, it is time for the mechanic to prepare for a purge and wipe. It is important that this procedure is performed at least once a day. The worker must be careful to use a clean portion of the wipe for each of the 8 heads, because any cross-contamination would be detrimental to the machine. After the purge and wipe has been performed, a nozzle test must be executed. This test is to confirm that none of the ink heads have been clogged. If there are no visible open spaces between lines on the pallet, the operators will clean the workstation and are now able to begin printing garments.